pizza.
No, that was cheesy.
I thought it was pretty sharp.
Well, if you didn't like it, I would just turn blue.
When Miguel is blue, he's a real monster.
All right, you have to call me Gorgonzola.
And to protect the world, I will lock him away in his little cottage.
I don't mind. My friend Jack is there.
Oh, your cottage is very small and stuffy. There's no breeze.
Yeah, but it's air conditioned enough to make your teeth chatter.
I am Pera. I swear, you stop prolonging this joke. 3 cheeses. I shredded him.
Wait, have a birthday, Master. Stop stringing us along. Ricardo, stop saying this. We can't bear it anymore. 4 cheeses, I creamed him. Yeah, don't cut the cheese.
All right, you win. I do. First place. A trip to Wisconsin. Excellent. Let's make it California. California has happy cows. You know what makes a happy cow?
What?
The happy grass.
Oh man, I can't wait for the 2%.
I can't believe I drank the whole gallon.